If you are trying to collect new shields in Monopoly Go, today's video I'm going to show you how. First thing first, you have to launch your Monopoly Go application and then get logged into your account. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with our shield. So tap onto it, and as you can see, if I tap on another one, it says collect new shields to fill the slot and unlock the rewards of the next shelf. So in order to collect new shields in Monopoly Go, you have to focus on in-game events and tournaments. Now, these events often award shields, and by completing them, they can also grant you shield skins to customize your game. Now, first thing first, you have to look for in-game events like PEGI or Egyptian Treasure. These can reward shield skins. And completing other tournaments, especially reaching top ranking 7 or 5, can easily unlock shield skins according to a Monopoly Go Wikipedia. You can also visit showrooms, like once you have collected a shield skin, you can find it in your showroom and equip it to change the appearance of your shield. And these are some events that you can visit in order for you to collect new shields in Monopoly Go. So bottom line, you have to keep on playing and look for any landmark or any goal or any bonuses that you see here, tap it and complete them. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.